ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very special guest with us today. Her name is Chitra. Chitra, and she's from Bangalore. She's 58 years of age, and I was informed by her coach, Jyoti, that from last 28 years she's been suffering from sugar medicine stopped completely, means diabetes medicine stopped completely, cholesterol medicine stopped completely, BP medicine stopped completely, and everything is normal. All multivitamins stop completely, D3, B12, multivitamin tablets all stop. Past 28 years, every morning she was vomiting, stopped completely, coughing stopped completely, vertigo fully reversed, gained muscle strength, now can walk 10,000 steps, earlier could not walk. Shaking of heads and legs stopped, numbness gone, allergy all gone except 3 times sneezing early morning. Earlier used to fall down many times, now stable. Nasal dripping stop, high energy, high stamina, no lethargy. Insulin was 108 units per day for past 28 years, has come down to only 15 units per day, from 108 to 50 units, and happy and confident now. And this insulin will also go away. Right? Wow, the chat works. मतलब ये हम किसी को बताएं बाहर की दुनिया में, वो बोलेंगे ये लड़का स्कैमर है, इसको पकड़ लो. Now let's talk to the person who has experienced this, because we know, the coaches know where to put the hammer, which NLP, which elements, which diet, at what time. So I'll start from Chitra. Chitra, if you can unmute yourself and please share your experience. How has been your journey with Go Nature and Jyoti? Over to you, Chitra, and then I'll come to the angel coach, Jyoti. Yes.
Hi, Vishal. How are you today?
Thank
Good
you,
evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Yeah, it's really a miracle. Actually, I was never tried so many, different companies offering sugar. You will cure your sugar, like Sugar Fit. So many. I don't want to name them. I have you name it. Whatever I used to see, I used to join and never succeeded. And when I joined, this when I saw first time, I was not believing at first because so many failures before. So when I did it, I'm not saying that I did it myself, but when I first started, when you said MRP and all those things, we South Indians, we drink buttermilk. Our meal complete without charge or the curd rice. Without curd rice, my meal won't be complete. And when I'm sick, when I'm whatever the case may be, I have to have curd rice. That was, I think, my mentally I was made up that without curd rice, nothing can be done. That is one thing. So it was so difficult for me when you said MRP, no MRP, I could the packaged food, that and all I stopped. Other things I could do it, but only the problem was this curd. So when Jyoti I feel sorry for Jyoti because I was not following the 100%, whatever she used to give me this, no, charge, no, nothing, no, but I used to say, okay, yeah, I'm following. But my symptoms didn't improve, for the first 3 months because I was having the yogurt, I was having that, and, it was my mental, this thing that I cannot stop it. You say whatever, I cannot stop. That kind of a thing I was going through. But somehow she was saying why your conditions are not improving, you are still coughing, you are still doing this. And when you are following all those things, she got sometimes she'll question me, what is happening, Chitra, what is happening? But I will always say, no, I'm following, I'm doing everything, whatever you are, So I used to fool myself, basically by telling like this, I am the one, who has to follow 100% to improve my condition. If I lie, basically I'm fooling myself. That is the thing, she's there to help me out. And then at one point I realized, why can't I try? I didn't even try. I just gave up before trying. So why can't I try? So, then I started slowly. I couldn't immediately stop, but, I started quite late, in the program, almost 6 months into the program, I started very late. And I started seeing little bit improvement. Like when I stopped for 2-3 days itself, I could see like my cough stop. I cannot talk like, before. If I talk even for 2 minutes, I'll be coughing. The persistent cough will come, and then then I'll cough and then I'll talk like that only. Even with Jyoti, whenever I used to talk, I used to cough a lot. That improved, and I could talk, for continuously for 5 minutes without coughing. That itself, I could see the change. And, slowly, when I saw my changes, then I believed, yeah, this really works. This is really like, working. And Jyoti, I don't know, she didn't give up on me. Basically, she was like trying to assure me, it'll work. You have to do it. Like, she was behind me. So finally now, even now, I wouldn't say like, I'm able to follow 100%. Even now with my 60 to 70%, this thing, it has improved this much. And I feel if I put on 100%, I think now whatever I'm having a little bit of the problem, that will also vanish. I'm like 100% sure, like, that kind of fear. Yeah.
Amazing. What an amazing journey. So proud of you, Chitra.
Thanks, Vishal.
Sorry for pronouncing that name wrong, Chitra Chakrabarti.
Chitra Chakrabarti.
Yes, thank you so much. I'll come to Jyoti, the angel coach. Jyoti, if you can please unmute yourself and share your experience with Chitra. Yeah.
Yeah, so hi, a very good evening to you, and a very good evening to everyone in the room. So Chitra has said it all. One thing which I would like to really share about Chitra is, for first 6 months she didn't follow, but then beyond that she was very truthful and positive, because I was always behind her. And when she admitted that she has not quit MRP, I think that was a turning point. Though she was following everything, but that was one thing which she was really stuck upon. So the biggest challenge which Chitra had was this. Otherwise she was consistent, and there were so many issues which she had. All were reversing except this part. So I'm really thankful to Chitra for really believing in Go Nature and believing in me and allowing me to be behind her whenever, So she took very positively. And one thing I would like to really say in front of her, she was always connected with me, whether she was following 100% or not, but she never, gave me a chance to tell her that why are you not talking to me or why are you not following. She was always there telling me all her plans, whenever she missed it, whenever she cheated on the diet, whenever she could not follow. So I think that is one area of hers which I really appreciate. Why? Because that gives us as coaches the freedom of, getting to the skin of the client, like what needs to be done with them, or what next we can try on them. So I think, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, Chitra, to know you so deeply so that I could treat you so well. Because and I really wish you all the best, very best. You are following 80%. I think 90% of all your health issues have been reversed, except that 15 units of insulin. And I'm very sure when you carry on like this, I'm sure you'll be able to reverse that. And all the very best to you in life. And see you soon.
Amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very nice. So awesome. Amazing. Thank you so much, Chitra, for being an awesome student. So I always believe when the student is ready, a teacher will appear. Wahi hua aapke case mein.
Thank you so much, Vishal.
Thank you so much, Jyoti. Hats off to your commitment, to your the results you are giving. And trust me, those who are listening to this, I only work with very few clients, right? And these are the coaches who are the real mechanics, right? And I can proudly say each of the coach that Go Nature has, I can today proudly say they are better than me, right? So thank you so much and more power to you. It was really amazing and awesome. Thank you so much.